Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Washington Boulevard. We're driving into the city of Kingston. Now the government has announced that it wants to re-engineer Washington Boulevard because you have a lot of makeshift garages, old cars, etc. on the road. So now the NSWMA has announced that they have gotten 4 crane trucks and they are now going to start to take up these old derelict cars and remove them from the streets. So all these old cars that you see parked along the roadways, not just this road, all the roads in Jamaica, they're now going to start to take them and remove them. So guys, let us know what you think about this. And they have acquired 4 new crane trucks so they can just lift them up off the road and dispose of them. Now, a lot of communities have people set up garages in the areas and they just have cars parked out there. You're driving through some of these communities and you just see old cars, some of them burnt out, some of them scrapped just all over the place. So it's good that the government is now going to be removing them. It will definitely help. Now, I'm not sure what criteria they are going to use to say this car is derelict or basically this car needs to be removed. I'm not sure what that criteria is, but once they make it public, then we will let you know. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. A massive island-wide derelict vehicle removal program will commence shortly, says Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond McKenzie. Making his contribution to the 2024-25 sectorial debate in the House of Representatives, he said the National Solid Waste Management Authority has acquired 4 new crane trucks, which will facilitate the undertaking. We continue to improve public cleanliness through historic investments in collection units for the National Solid Waste Management Authority. We will focus on removing old cars and other types of bulky waste which are eyesores and health hazards to the country, the minister pointed out. The entity is now in a position to target abandoned vehicles. You have garage operators who have taken over the streets, operating garages 24/7 without any respect. The NSWMA is now in possession of 4 brand new crane trucks. I am announcing a massive island-wide derelict vehicle removal program that will be carried out shortly, he added. Mr. McKenzie said the government will continue to change the face of Jamaica in a fundamental way. It is difficult, especially for those persons who are physically impaired and disabled, to access our sidewalks because used car owners take them over. Garage operators take them over. It is creating a nightmare, and I call on the country to unite in this effort to rid our streets of this kind of danger, he said. In addition, the minister said 8 specialized scout trucks have been obtained and will be used to collect solid waste from hard-to-reach areas in communities across the country. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know how it works in other countries. Like where you live, if you live outside of Jamaica, how do they deal with the old cars? Do they remove them off the streets? What's the process like over there? Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this initiative. Alright guys, have a good day.